In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check out on Home Depot using PayPal. If you already have items saved in your Home Depot shopping cart and you're ready to place your order, this process is very straightforward. I'll walk you through it clearly so you know exactly what to expect on each screen and can complete your purchase with confidence. Start by opening Google Chrome and navigating to your Home Depot shopping cart. Before moving forward, take a quick moment to review the items in your cart. Make sure the products, quantities, and any shipping or pickup preferences are correct. This is a helpful habit because it gives you one last chance to confirm everything before you enter the payment stage. Once you're satisfied with your cart, click the checkout button. This will take you to the next part of the order process, where Home Depot collects your shipping, pickup, and payment information. Depending on your setup, you may be asked to sign in or continue through checkout from there. Just follow the on-screen prompts until you reach the payment section. When you see the available payment options, choose PayPal from the list. Selecting PayPal is useful if you prefer not to enter your card details directly on the retailer's website, or if you simply like managing payments through your PayPal account. After choosing it, Home Depot will redirect you or open a secure PayPal pop-up window so you can authorize the payment. Next, log into your PayPal account through that secure window. Enter your account credentials and continue carefully, making sure you're on the official PayPal sign-in screen before submitting any information. This extra attention helps ensure that your transaction stays secure and that you're authorizing payment in the correct place. After logging in, PayPal will display your payment details for review. At this point, confirm the funding source, billing details, and total amount being charged. Take a moment to read through everything so there are no surprises. If all the information looks right, approve the payment and complete the order. Once the payment is confirmed, you'll be returned to Home Depot, where your order should finalize. Be sure to wait for the confirmation screen rather than closing the browser too early. That final confirmation lets you know the purchase has gone through successfully. After that, you can check for an order confirmation message on the screen and in your account history. And that's how to check out on Home Depot using PayPal.